This week the NASDAQ has risen in value, and we can see the price is moving further to the higher price levels. We can see that for several days the price has trying to move up. The price started the week with this bullish candle, continued to rise in value, then returning back down, then again making a small bullish breakout above this area of resistance, and then continue to rise in value. The movement during this week was not very strong, very wide. There are small candles here, compare for example this candle and also this candle here. The market has moved slightly up, so the price started from 23,000 and it has reached 23,300, which means a small rise in value. A weekly time frame shows us again bullish candle. We can see that here the price is continuing to move the bullish momentum, and it is trying to move to the higher price levels. Currently the price has reached again all-time high price level for this market. Monthly time frame currently shows us a still bullish candle, and we have one more week until this month close. Everything is pointing that we will see the price rising in value again. So this means bullish still sentiment is in the market. There is now still clear of weakness, but there is still a problem for the price. We can see that on the daily time frame there is no strong bullish movements happening on the market. It is very slow, but it is steady moving to the high price level, so I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value in the next week. So for the NASDAQ, that is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.